Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a helpful guide on how to turn on the Filter All Direct Messages feature on Discord, especially with the latest update. If you're looking to enhance your privacy and keep your chat experience cleaner, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in Discord, look towards the bottom left corner of the app. There you'll see your username and profile picture. Next to them you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look on the left sidebar for a section labeled Privacy and Safety. Click on that option to dive into your privacy settings. This menu allows you to control who can send you messages and how those messages are filtered. Finally, you'll want to find the option that says Filter All Direct Messages. Check that box to enable this feature. This will automatically filter any direct messages that may contain potentially harmful or unwanted content, ensuring a safer messaging experience. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on the Filter All Direct Messages feature on Discord. This small tweak can make a big difference in how you interact on the platform, keeping your chats cleaner and more secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other platforms.